Welcome to Stories and Stuff. Hi, before we start our story today, I thought I'd share some grammar homework for Year 2 children. My t-shirt says stay puffed. See if you can spot the spelling mistake in the word puffed. Okay, our book today is Valdemar's Peas. It's another book about peas. Why don't people like peas? I'm going to read this and we'll have a bit of a think about Valdemar. I'm not sure Valdemar deserves pudding, but you can let me know what you think. And then after this, I'm going to share a very special poem about peas with you. It's one of my favourites. So, Valdemar's Peas. Here are Valdemar and his little sister Lynn. They're hungry. Here comes Papa with their dinner. Today, it's fish fingers. Valdemar loves fish fingers. He eats them whole. 1, 2, 3. Yum, says Valdemar, and he gets down from the table. Stop, his papa says. You haven't eaten your peas. Valdemar hates peas. They taste so green and round and pointless. Why do I have to eat peas? Asked Valdemar. Vegetables give you long, fine ears, especially peas, says Papa. But I already have long, fine ears, said Valdemar. Papa decides. The peas go in the tummy, then ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. Stupid peas, stupid Papa, stupid ice cream, growls Valdemar. And stupid little sister Lynn, she's eaten her peas already. Now Lynn is getting chocolate ice cream. Not fair, shouts Valdemar. Lynn didn't get as many peas as me. I want my ice cream too. There's Lynn under the table, licking her ice cream. He hates that noise she makes. Then Valdemar has an idea. He lines up his peas. Yum, 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 says Lynn. Look, Papa, the peas are in the tummy, says Valdemar. Actually, Lynn's tummy. Oh, you are hopeless, Papa sighs, but he gives Valdemar his ice cream. Valdemar loves ice cream, especially chocolate ice cream. I don't know about you, I'm not sure Valdemar deserved his pudding. Now, if you look below in the description, you'll find my recipe for pink spotty mash. It's my favourite way of eating peas. Now, I'm going to share another way of eating peas, and this is a poem by a very special man, very funny man called Milligan. See what you think. See if you'd like to eat your peas this way. It goes like this. I eat my peas with honey. I've done it all my life. It makes the peas taste funny. But it keeps them on the knife. Not sure I'd recommend it. If you've got any special ways to eat peas, any funny recipes, you let me know. See you next time.